A United Nations transport plane, the Albertina, is on a vital mission in Central Africa.
Estimated beam Ndola at 2347. Arrival time 0020.
The destination is Ndola Airport in the British colony of Northern Rhodesia.
Roger. Ndola weather, wind 120 at 7 knots, visibility 5 to 10 miles with a slight smoke haze.
Controllers and local dignitaries anxiously await the arrival of one of the most important people in the world. On board the DC-6 is UN Secretary General Dag Hammarskjöld.
At least they're willing to talk. What else do we know about their latest demands?
He's flying in from the Congo to hold high-level peace talks with the rebel leader. The flight left the Congolese capital, Leopoldville, a little more than 6 hours ago. For security reasons, it's flown an indirect route to Ndola. To prevent an ambush, no flight plan has been filed, and the pilots have maintained radio silence for most of the flight. The mission is a closely guarded secret.
Are you proceeding to Salisbury after Ndola?
Negative.
Even at this late stage, the crew needs to be secretive about the mission.
Are you staying in Ndola?
They don't know who might be listening in.
Negative.
Due to parking difficulties, would like to know your intentions.
We will give them on the ground.
Roger.
Go ask the pilots how much longer till we land.
The Secretary General and his delegation should be on the ground in about 10 minutes.
Your light's in sight. Overhead, Ndola. Descending.
Roger. Report reaching 6,000 feet.
Roger.
Okay, they're 10 minutes away.
Because of the unusual flight path, the plane now needs to fly past Ndola Airport and circle back to touch down on its only runway. The crew begins the final swooping left-hand turn that will line them up with the runway below. The mission to Ndola is about to begin. A mission that could change the fate of nations. Ground in Ndola, controllers are growing concerned.
Albertina, Ndola Tower, do you read?
The Secretary General's plane is overdue. The controller contacts other airports in the region.
Salisbury, Ndola Airport. Have you had any word from the UN Albertina?
Nothing at all.
Perhaps the Albertina's secret mission has taken it to a different destination at the last minute.
Lusaka, Ndola Airport. Have you had any contact with the UN flight?
Negative. No contact here.
The plane carrying one of the most important men on the planet is missing. It's a mystery that will haunt Ndola and the world for decades to come.